Today I share how to fry New Year fried rice. Try this before you cook your New Year food. To begin, you are going to be needing butter. At the same time, you are going to need onions. Next is hot pepper, then add in garlic. All you do is to stir that together. Stir until you have something like this. Next, you are going to be adding these hard green beans. Pour everything in and stir together. At this point, you're not going to add in anything. Just stir and let this to cook on its own for 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, you have to add in seasoning cubes. That is curry powder and thyme. Then the same time, add in fried rice seasoning. Then add in Maggi cube. So don't forget to add in salt to taste. Follow this process to coat your vegetable before you use it to get your New Year fried rice done for your family. It's going to be amazing. So now you are going to be adding red and yellow bell pepper. Next we add in corn. Then you can now add in green beans. Then stir together. At this point, you are not done adding all the vegetable, but you have to first of all let this to fry for 1 minute before you can add in any other vegetable at this point. Now you can add in liver, the same time add in carrot, then stir together. Don't forget to coat your vegetable this way. It's just so amazing. Your fried rice is going to come out strong and fresh. Now you are going to be adding already fried prawns. At this point, you are going to stir everything together. Just 1 minute, you are going to take this out from the heat because everything now is ready to use. So take everything and bring it out from the heat like this. At this point, you have already cooked rice. So this is already cooked fried rice. All you need to do is to add in butter, then stir your rice together. Stir everything together until it's nice like this. Then turn in the vegetable inside the rice and then turn everything over. You are going to stir that together, then enjoy your food. This is just so simple to get done, guys. Don't forget to coat your vegetables before you use it to do this New Year fried rice for your family. When you do it like this, your rice is going to last as long as you want, and at the same time it's going to come out so nice and fresh. Your vegetable is not going to overcook. Everything is going to be easily eat and at the same time looking delicious. Now you are green bell pepper and spring onion, so add everything at this point, then stir together. This is just the best way you can easily coat your vegetables before you use it to get your Nigerian party fried rice done. Especially this new year, you need to let your family know you are the best cook all over the world. When you follow this process to prepare the fried rice for them, they are going to taste different tastes this time and they are going to appreciate you. This is just so mouth-watering. I love you. Don't forget to try this for your family. In my next one, see me serving this food. It's everything, like everything you need in fried rice. That is the vibe this rice gives to you. It was just so massive. Everything come out perfect. I love you guys. Look at that. Don't forget to share. Put this in your family meal. They are going to appreciate you. In my next one, Happy New Year. Bye.